really can't believe that I'm saying this because of how fast the year has gone, but welcome to Vlogmas 2024. Welcome to Vlogmas day 1. Honestly, can't believe that I'm saying that because it still feels like the new year, and my brain can't wrap around the fact that we're almost at the end of the year. If you don't know what Vlogmas is vlogging every single day. Some people do it differently. Some people will upload every single day starting December 1st, so they'll upload December 1st up to Christmas Day. Some people, which is the way I like to do it, like to start vlogging on December 1st, will either upload daily, or I used to do it weekly. This year I wanted to challenge myself to do vlogging every single day and uploading every single day. It is going to be a ton of work, and I know I'm going to be exhausted. We'll see how far I go. Also challenging myself to do the exact same thing, just like a little bit different on TikTok. I feel like my life is just so boring, but we're gonna film it. My skincare routine has changed pretty drastically since I think the last time I did a morning and nighttime skincare routine video, so might as well kick off Vlogmas with a skincare routine video. I'm also rushing because I have to be out the door soon. First things first, I washed my face, literally just splashed water on my face, and then I'm going in with the Naturium Vitamin C Complex Serum. Do I know if this is doing anything? Absolutely not, but I will be putting vitamin C on my face every day to brighten it. One thing is for sure, I've had these like random pimple spots. They used to be actual pimples, but now they're just like scars for what seems like months. Then I'm gonna go in. In here is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, making sure to drag everything down my neck and into my hairline. And then I also read, and when I say read, I mean I saw a TikTok of this dermatologist in I think Australia saying that you actually don't need sunscreen every day if the UV index is below 3. And today the UV index is in fact 1. I am just a creature of habit, and I just naturally wear sunscreen every day, even if it's cloudy. But I will be going in with less of an SPF. This is the Summer Fridays Shade Drops Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Mineral Milk Sunscreen. This sunscreen is pretty like runny, but I do like it. Like there's no white cast or anything, and it blends really well and holds up under makeup. I'm gonna quickly get changed. Oh, I'm also obviously gonna put on Carmex. Sometimes when it's in a pot like this, I just go like this because number 1, it's cold, and number 2, I don't want to get my fingers dirty. I don't know if that's sanitary, but I'm the only one using this lip balm. Please don't mind my very, very messy room, especially whatever's going on over there. But this is my outfit. I literally wore it yesterday when I had my cousins over. My jeans are actually Tommy jeans. They used to be my dad's, and I cropped them. They have like a raw hem now. I haven't worn these jeans in so long, and I found them in my closet, but I'm wearing this new Gap sweater that I am literally obsessed with. It's this cute little, I actually don't know what it is. I think it's like the boyfriend oversized crew neck. I actually don't know, but I got it in a size up because I wanted it to drape over my butt. I just noticed that my coat is also from Gap. I got it last year on sale. It was like 50 bucks, originally like $2.50, so I think that's a slay, and it's my work coat. I also have my glasses on because I would like to see to go to church and then the Apple store. So it's actually so much later. It's almost 5 o'clock. My day completely changed, honestly. Was going to go to church, and I didn't do that. Instead, we went to the mall, got the last part of my brother-in-law's present because I couldn't find it at Von Mills. They didn't have a size. Luckily, the one at Shareway actually had so many in his size, and then I fell asleep. My watch will tell me if I have a nap. I have the Garmin Vivo Active 5, I want to say. If I'm in a deep enough sleep, it'll like calculate that I got enough like rest and stuff. Now I'm painting my nails. I'm going to paint it Boston University red from D&D. If you know, you know. They were like I think the shade was actually called Midnight Blue, and I painted my nails that color in the delusion that I would go to the Eras tour. I did not. That's okay, because I was not going to pay $5,000 to go to the Eras tour as a resale ticket to sit in the 500 levels when I know that those exact same seats are like max $30 to go and see the Blue Jays. I could not get myself to spend $5,000 on a 3.5 hour concert. Would I have loved to go? Yes. I could not justify spending $5,000, even like $3,000. I could not justify. I almost justified $1,000, which looking back on that, girl, you're crazy. Even though in my heart and in my soul, I know that she will tour again, I just also know that she is going to take the longest break, a well-deserved break. Let me tell you, if I was her, I would take the largest nap of my life after the Vancouver shows this following weekend. I actually got pretty close to seeing, I want to say it was weekend 1. No one we personally knew had their login verified, like their Ticketmaster
Ticketmaster, they were not verified fans until they randomly started letting people in almost before opening night. My brother-in-law's cousin, her account was randomly verified and she got tickets to the Corona rooftop bar, and so she so graciously let us have her lock in to try and join the queue for other nights. On this Saturday, while the show was going on, Ticketmaster dropped so many tickets for weekend 2, and we actually got in multiple times. I was on it, my sister was on it as well, and my sister had first gotten one ticket on the floor, and I was like, just buy it. It was like $700, but it was one ticket on the floor. Like, it would not let us click it. She kept refreshing. And then one in the, I can't remember if it was the one in the 500 first or the one in the, on the floor first. Then we got like 2 tickets on the 500 levels, I want to say, that were like 400 total, so $200 each. And then we got 2 more on the floor, and it wouldn't let us check out. On my side, I got 1 ticket on the floor, and it wouldn't let me check out either. That was like the closest I've ever gotten to actually joining. That will always be the loss of my life. To this day, I still get people like, hey, I have tickets to Vancouver. I'm not going to Vancouver. Please stop saying that you have Eras Tour tickets when I know that you freaking don't. We both know that you don't. So leave me alone. I haven't done red nails in what feels like so long. I'm gonna do it because I get really easily distracted when I'm painting my nails. I can't concentrate on actually just painting the nails. Okay, so I finished painting my nails, but I don't know if we noticed, but I did switch my camera. I'm having a very sad beige pajama day. Like, my robe is so cute. It's like this waffle material from Old Navy, I want to say. It was on sale. Got it a couple weeks ago. And then my pajamas are this matching oatmeal color with like deep red trim. It's from Aerie. We are sitting on my floor because, as you could see, there's a lot going on behind me. These are all of my Christmas presents, and I thought it could be fun to go through everything that I'm gifting people. I know that my family does not watch these vlogs. Pretty sure my parents don't even know that these vlogs exist. But I have every single Christmas present except for the one for my dad, because we got my dad a new drill and my sister has to go pick that up from Home Depot tomorrow. Also, I forgot to mention that my sister and I went into Gemlit and I got a new permanent bracelet on a whim. So it's the one with the pearl. It's so freaking cute. This is the Bella chain if you guys are gonna go into Gemlit. And then I got a cutie little pearl charm on it. Did go to the Apple store. Let me tell you, I have never bought so many Apple products in 1 year. Like, it takes me decades, I swear to God, to buy an Apple product. I recently bought the iPhone 16 Pro. I got that before I went on my vacation, and then now we're placing another order like I'm made out of money. I got my sister the AirPod, what the hell are these called, honestly? AirPod 4s. She was dumb enough to leave her AirPods on the plane when she went to Italy this year, so I got her new ones because she's been using her husband's like janky old broken, maybe this is controversial, but I love a wired earphone. And when I got the iPhone 16, I don't know if you guys know this, but they had changed the like how you power your phone. It used to be the little lightning thing, but now it's a USB-C. So I had to get new wired earphones, and I literally got my phone the day before I was going to board a plane, and I didn't have my wired earphones. Oh my god, like, I was bored out of my mind, and my AirPods would die every 2 seconds. Best believe, even before I got home, I placed that order on Amazon to get new wired earphones for my brother-in-law. I don't know if this is interesting because, again, this is a girl YouTube channel, not a boy one. These are the Heat Tech geared pants. They literally feel like snow pants. These were $69.90 if you guys are interested. Literally look and feel like sweatpants. The black is not doing it justice, but it has like one of those like cool buckles. I literally got him a whole ass outfit. This is the jersey overshirt long sleeve in olive. It's literally like a long sleeve shirt. Then for my other sister, I got her a couple things. So we do have an espresso machine, so I got her one of these. This is called the Knock Box, and if you have an espresso machine, you know that like you have to hit the puck. She's been doing it over our organic compost bin, and I know she has been denting that thing because I've told her to stop doing that and she keeps doing it. I was going to get her, I think it's called like the puck suck or something like that, something so weird that Breville makes where it like sucks the espresso puck into like the barrel. I got her one of these. She can knock this thing and there's like a rubber rim, so there's less chances of her denting it. I also got her a bigger milk jug, and this one is actually heat controlled. I got a couple things from Aritzia for my mom and my sister, and I'm not gonna open them, but I will show you a picture of them. This one is for my mom. The story is we get this cardigan every single year, literally the exact same cardigan, and every year my dad has shrunk the cardigan because it is wool, so he accidentally puts it in the dryer. This is the third time we have gotten my mother this cardigan. This one is different, I will have to say. The last two were the ones without the buttons. The last Aritzia box has my sister's jacket. This is the Banks jacket from Aritzia. I'll put the picture over here. She is a jacket girly. She literally has a jacket for every day at this point. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys are excited for Vlogmas. I'm a little bit terrified, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how exciting it's gonna be compared to a lot of your favorite YouTubers and even my favorite YouTubers and vloggers. I'm just a girl who works a normal 9-to-5 job. That being said, I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy Vlogmas day 1. I hope you guys are excited, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!